Welcome to RK's Digital Training. So in this video we are going to discuss how to insert a particular object into an Excel cell. So what is the purpose of it? Say for example, I have test case ID. TC stands for test case ID, and the test case name, and then evidence. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to place the evidence, means the proof, the steps whatever I have captured. So that document I have to insert here. So the document should be placed here. How do I insert a document into a cell? So that we will call here as insert object. So what kind of object I am going to insert? So first you have to select the cell where you wanted to place the object, click on insert and then you have to go to object. So before you go to that, I will show you what object I wanted to insert. So let's say I have something on my desktop. See here, sample doc. See, this is what my document. So sample doc. So this I wanted to insert there. So how do I do it? I will go to my Excel, select the cell, go to insert and then click on object, and then use the option called create from file, and then before browsing check the checkbox display as icon, and then click on browse button, and then select the required file from the location sample.doc, which is there on my desktop, and click on OK. And if you see, you have the entire path has come. If you don't want the entire path, if you wanted to have only sample doc, just write it as sample doc. Just click there and then remove the unnecessary text. You don't need to specify the entire path. Click on OK. See, only the doc has come. Click on OK. Just it will take a few seconds to get it loaded. Once that is done, you will be able to see that particular document here. You can directly open it from here. If you double click, automatically the person will be able to see this. So in the same manner, you can do the same thing for the next cell. So that is, say for example, I am just making a little room here to put the next value. I wanted to place the another value here. So that value, if you look at here, there is a sample.png. So this is like I have created this using MS Paint. So PNG, what is PNG stands for? Most of the people might not aware, but they know that this is for Paint, Portable Network Graphics. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to insert that. Select the cell, go to insert, and then click on object, and then create from file, and display as an icon, browse, and then click on sample.png, and then if you wanted to change it, or else if you don't want to change, keep it the same way. Click on OK. Then automatically you will be able to see the other file as well. See, both the files will be available here. See, that file has come here. If you double click on it, automatically you will be able to see the bitmap. The .png file, the bitmap has come here. So you can close this document. So if you wanted to do it separately, just make use of the same steps, and then you should be able to do that. Okay, thank you for watching. So if you wanted to see it clearly, let's say I'll show you, you may not be able to see that properly there. Just click on this, OK, and then create from file, then display as an icon, click on browse, and then sample.png, and then click on OK. Then automatically you should be able to see this icon. See here, you can drag this, then sometimes it may not show, but if you double click on it, automatically you will be able to see the document. So if you wanted to make the name also, you can do like I said, go here, click on OK, and then display as an icon, click on browse, and then sample.png, and remove everything, the unnecessary text, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. Then you can see this way. So based upon your Excel version, it will show you, and you should be in a position to understand how it is showing. Thank you for watching.